Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cartoonify any video in a Canva in a few seconds. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. And leave comment in the comment section. Is it really important to keep creating content for you? Thanks, and now let's get started. So, this is the Cartoonify video, and I used originally this one, so I created this Cartoonify video from this video, and I will show you how to create it, how to do it easily on a few steps. We just have to select the video, go into the edit, and scrolling down to the apps, and looking for this video Cartoonify. We just need to click on it, and this application going to create this Cartoonify video from our video. As you can see, Cartoonify video and replace. So this video will be replaced with this Cartoonified one. We can create only one video per day without a subscription, but with a subscription we can get 30 credits. So this video takes 1 credit. We have 1 credit in every 24 hours. That's pretty straightforward. So I just have to click on the Cartoonify video and just have to wait a few seconds or minutes. So I just pause the video. So it's done. As you can see, it's already uploaded to my library, media library. And here we can see the countdown when I have the next credit. So as you can see, this really was done now. So I now have to wait more or less 24 hours to get a new one. But as you can see, this is not cartoonified. This is really not cartoonified. Where is my Cartoonify video? As you can see, already mentioned it, I cannot do it again, but I have to check my uploads. Here in the uploads I can find it. Yeah. And now it's sometimes takes time, so it's already have the cartoonified version. So it's replacing the original video sometimes takes a few seconds, but now it's working. So it's a pretty cool effect, pretty nice what we can do with this. This is how we can cartoonify any video. I guessing there is some maximum length, but cannot really find it. And as I mentioned already, we can do one video per day without any subscription, which is a pretty cool feature, I think, and I really like it. We can use this on lots of different kind of projects. So it's even for just private, like family things, but also for commercials. As you can see, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We don't really have to do anything, just click one button. So that's a pretty amazing tool. I really like it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if you're missing anything or struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check my Facebook page, where you can find tons of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for different kind of AI tools. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. And in the description, you can also find links for my TikTok and Instagram pages, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva. So please feel free to check also my Instagram and TikTok pages. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.